Kebbi is a state in northwestern Nigeria with its capital at Birnin Kebbi. The state was created out of a part of Sokoto State in 1991. Kebbi State is bordered by Sokoto State, Niger State, Zamfara State, Dosso region in the Republic of Niger and the nation of Benin. It has a total area of 36,800 square kilometers. Kebbi is traditionally considered by Sarki mythology as the homeland of the Banza Bakwai states and Hausa kingdoms according to recent research based on local oral traditions, king lists and on the Kebbi Chronicle. The state of Kebbi was founded towards 600 BCE by refugees of the Assyrian Empire conquered by Babylonian and Median forces in 612 BCE. A major local event was the conquest by Songhi in the second half of the 15th century CE. Kebbi resisted the Fulani Jihad of the early 19th century. But in the later 19th century the area largely converted to Islam through peaceful means. Zuru Emirate is divided into 5 administrative chiefdom: Darbai, Danko, Fakai, Sakba, and Vasagu. The third-class chief who is also member of the Zuru town in Darbai chiefdom, where the emirate headquarters also is located, heads each. Zuru Emirate is located in the southern part of Kebbi State, Nigeria, occupying an area of about 9,000 square kilometers. It is bordered by Gumi in Zamfara State in the north. To the south is Niger State. This borderline extends also arbitrarily on land to the west to a point where it ends a few kilometers to the west of large tributary of the Dan Zari River. Here a northwestward protrusion of Yauri Emirate of Kebbi. In fact, going by history, Zuru people being multi-ethnic are grouped into categories. First category is of those that claim long-term settlement and the second category is of the much more recent settlers who in fact regard themselves, and are also regarded by the others as recent immigrants or even as temporary strangers. In the first category are the Achifawa, Kambri, Dikawa Fakawa, Dankawa, Vorava, Katsinawa and Lelna. It is characteristic to find that some of them lay claim to origin from Hausa. Zuru, as was said, is a result of upheaval resulting from events such as Kanta's breakaway from Songhi and Nupe Kororofa control. Moreover, the Katsinawa, who in fact see themselves as immigrants from the old state of Katsina which had made political inroad Zuru region, especially from the 16th century AD onward, and had enabled them to settle into areas indigenous population. Kebbi State was created out of the former Sokoto State on the 17th of August 1991. The state has a total population of 3,137,989 people as projected from the 1991 census. Within 21 local government areas, the state has Sudan and Sahel savanna. The southern part is generally rocky with the Niger River traversing the state from Benin to Naski, Lga. The northern part of the state is sandy with the Rima River passing through Arjungu to Bagudo Lga, where it empties into the Niger. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people, especially in rural areas. Crops produced are mainly grains. Animal rearing and fishing are also common. Christianity and Islam are the dominant religions of the people. There are 225 political wards, 3,000 settlements and 1036 hard-to-reach settlements in the 21 local government areas in the state. Kebbi State consists of 21 local government areas, 4 emirate councils, and 35 districts. The LGAs are as follows. Kebbi State is mainly populated by Hausa people, with some members of Fulani, Lelna, Basawa, Dukawa, Dekarkari, Kambri, Gungawar and Kamuku ethnic communities. The people of Kebbi are predominantly Muslims who practice Islam as a religion. Languages of Kebbi State listed by LGA. Other languages of Kebbi State are Sashangini, Kyanga, Shanga, and Sorko. Kebbi State is one of the major producers of rice in Nigeria. The current participation of more than 70,000 farmers in the anchor borrowers rice and wheat farming is heading towards making Kebbi a new destination and hub for agro-based commodities of the country. To reiterate his commitment to ensure that Kebbi State isn't only dependent on federal allocation, the active Governor Atiku Bagudu paid a visit to Benin Republic last year, and while on the trip, Signed a number of bilateral trade protocols with the government and business community of Benin Republic with a view to fostering trade, industrial and tourism relationships with the country. Abubakar Bagudu is also the chairman, National Task Force on Rice and Wheat Production in Nigeria.